Hello dear investors, today's Tuesday, February 22. I'm presenting you with a fresh market analysis prepared for the InstaForex company. Let us first focus on the macroeconomic calendar. Traders are likely to pay close attention to the US initial unemployment claims data, PMI data, and existing home sales figures. The US trading session is expected to be eventful. Thus, market volatility is likely to rise. On the trading chart, we see that gold reached a new high after the one recorded amid the publication of inflation figures. Yesterday, there was a false breakout. Some traders who used a breakout strategy yesterday had a chance to earn. At present, I do not have any ideas about the future of the trading instrument. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair showed impressive momentum earlier today. Since the beginning of the day, the asset has increased by 700 pips. Notably, in February, the pair reached an extreme level amid the issue of non-farm employment figures and then slumped. Yesterday, there was a breakout which allowed traders to open long positions. The Australian dollar is also rapidly climbing to the level of 0.69. I still believe that the currency has every chance to reach this high. Meanwhile, the USD CAD pair slightly dropped. The first extreme level was downwardly broken. On the chart, we see a double bottom that remains intact. Now, we can see a considerable pullback ahead of the data that is slated for release later today. The instrument is likely to continue falling to break a low recorded on February 13. The pound-dollar pair also manifested a strong upward momentum movement. However, I do not know how to trade this asset at the moment. That is why we may switch to the dollar-yen pair. It is a safe haven, as it has been trading sideways for the last 2 weeks. However, this does not mean the trading instrument is good or bad. It simply does not show any dynamic. In other words, neither the dollar nor the yen are outperforming each other. Silver is closing the week with a pullback bar. The previous momentum is still in force. The three-way structure remains intact. That's all for today. See you online soon next time.